Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles and grow a garden. First, you'll want to locate the cooking pot, which is conveniently situated in the center of the island. Before you begin, make sure you have gathered all the required ingredients. It's also a good idea to check if Chris P. is currently craving waffles, as this can lead to even better rewards once your delicious creation is complete. Now let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. Recipes vary, but a basic waffle often uses just one coconut and one strawberry. If you're aiming for something more special, a legendary waffle calls for one peach, one coconut, and one apple. For a divine waffle, you'll need one coconut and one sugar apple. Remember, different combinations yield different waffle types, so experiment with your garden's bounty. With your ingredients ready, head to the cooking pot. Equip each item one by one and interact with the pot to add them. You'll see your selections appear on the ingredients list to the left, confirming they've been added. Once all your chosen items are in the pot, simply press the cook button to start the process. The cooking time will vary based on the quality of your ingredients. After the cooking timer finishes, interact with the pot again to retrieve your freshly made waffle. Once you have it, equip it and find Chris P. Speak to him and select the option to offer him the food you cooked. If he's satisfied, especially if you've made a waffle he's craving, you'll receive fantastic rewards, including special seeds or even pet items. Enjoy your culinary success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.